Dr. Julie Means-Powell has to tell patients the last thing they want to hear.
The first time you sit down with a woman who's been diagnosed with breast cancer, obviously you realize the impact that's had on that patient, the stress that's caused the patient. What do I do next?
Researchers believe they've uncovered a link between stress and the spread or metastasis of breast cancer, which is what often makes the disease deadly.
That's the metastasis to distant organ that kill them. And if you are under depression or very stressed when you are diagnosed with breast cancer, this contributes to decreasing survival.
At the Vanderbilt Center for Bone Biology, a study in lab mice found that beta blockers, a class of drugs used to control high blood pressure, also block the body's reaction to stress. In mice, interrupting that process also stopped cancer cells from attaching to bone tissue.
A drug like beta blocker might be beneficial for these patients to prevent metastasis to distant organ like bone, and therefore to increase the survival of these patients.
So far, this has only been tested in mice. Doctors say human research is still a few years off, but in theory, doctors could begin prescribing beta blockers to cancer patients for an off-label use right away.
I really think it's early to really say that all women with breast cancer should be on beta blockers, but because we just don't have the prospective data to say in a randomized fashion that patients benefit from this drug and should be on this drug. But I think obviously it's a discussion to have with both your oncologist and your primary care provider.
While further studies are needed, it's a breakthrough that could someday improve the outlook for breast cancer patients around the world.